What's up, YouTube? How's it going? David back here again with another vlog. We're out here going to the beach, but this time we're not going to our usual spot. We're going to Anna Maria Beach. And let me tell you, the experience is not really that good. The reason why I'm telling you this is because parking over here is horrendous. Horrendous. There's certain parking spots where you have to park, and you can parallel park on one side of the road. And then there's like people trying to charge you $100 for the whole day, trying to scam you. Some people, was like, there was one person that was charging me $150 for the whole day. I'm like, God damn. And we're only gonna be here for like 5 hours, you know what I mean? Like half a day or whatever. Whew, it's hot as hell. And I'm going fishing. As you can see, my wife and brother-in-law's in the front. We're about to have some fun. We finally found a parking spot. Thank God. Thank you, Jesus. And the fishing rods are in the other car. We're about to fish. We're about to have some fun, have some family time. Oh, I'm out of breath because I'm trying to catch up to them. But yeah, we're having some good times. We're going to have some good times. We're going to have some fun. Anna Maria Beach, it's in the front. Let me turn you guys around. Yes, sir. We're going to have some fun right now. And I'll catch you guys in a little bit because we have to go to the other car to pick up stuff. All right, yeah, we made it to Anna Maria Beach. Beautiful beach. There's no fishing pier, unfortunately, so we're just gonna be chilling. No fishing for today. Maybe not. Maybe not. We don't know yet. Hablando aquí. Sí. Father-in-law's right there. A mi mamá. Mami, dale para acá. But yeah, look how beautiful it is, man. You know, Dominicans, Cubans, right there. A Eddie. So we just chilling, about to go have some fun, enjoy ourselves. So yeah, I catch you in a little bit. The water is beautiful and clear. I might, you know, record some content in the water, not on the beach of the water, but in the water. No, nunca. And no, it's más bonito, pero aquí no hay pier para pescar. And we're just gonna have fun, man. Look how clear and blue that water is, yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. There's like a little sandbar right here. And right there, fire. Gotta take you to the water real quick. So I can show you like this flock of whiting fish, pink fish. It's pretty cool. Hopefully you can see it. Beautiful little sandbar right here. Going over there a little closer, you definitely want to see it. There's little fishes everywhere. I don't need to see that. They're right there. They're swimming right there in the water. Water is super clear, super beautiful. Can you see the fishes there? Yeah, you can see them. Literally a Caribbean island type of water, type of vibe. Yeah, so I already jumped in the water. There's like a couple of boats here, a couple of jet skis really close by. I've been dying to like to ride a jet ski. I might actually buy one. So, that would be a irresponsible purchase because, you know, we're doing different things, trying to give you the best content I can. And shit, if I got it like that, I'll get it. I want to show you some more content. I know I've been slacking. I've just been compiling content, compiling clips, compiling videos. This is a nice family day today. I don't know if you guys can hear me well because it's very windy, but yeah, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Had a good day at the beach. I am exhausted. I'm like really tired. Really sleepy. I only slept like 3 hours. We tried to come here early, but then we ended up getting here like around 12. So we're about to call it a day. What is that? That's a shark fin. Water's looking crystal clear. Oh. Here. Mm-hmm. So unfortunately we couldn't, fish, but at least we get to enjoy the scenery and have fun with the family. It's gonna be tough to see me, but yeah, that's the family back there with the kids. Beautiful, beautiful. But yeah, this is Anna Maria. First time here. Next time I'm gonna have to go to a different spot, probably with the pier, maybe on the opposite side of the island, just so we could fish or whatever. But don't worry, some more fishing content is gonna come through, more vlogs. I do have quarterly, not even a half year, 6 months pickup type of vlog thing that I want to show you guys when I get home. And I'm back on my YouTube, back on my YouTube a little bit. Gotta build my personal brand because, it's about virtue coming back.